Salut à tous! Hello everyone! Bienvenue au français avec Poonam. Welcome to French with Poonam. Aujourd'hui, nous allons prendre les alphabets français. Today, we are going to learn the French alphabets. Let's start. In French, we have 26 alphabets just like in English, but their pronunciation vary. So today we are going to learn the pronunciation of these 26 alphabets. Here I have written all the alphabets from A to Z and their pronunciation in French, in Hindi as well as in English. So now we are going to practice the pronunciation of these alphabets in French. Let's start. Starting with A. A is pronounced as A. A. Next, B. Bay. Bay. C. Say. Say. D. They. They. E. F is same as in English. F. F. G is pronounced as J. It is more like the alphabet J, but not pronounced as J. It is pronounced as J. J. H as Ash. 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 I is pronounced as E. E. J is more like G, but not G. It's G. 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 K. Ka. Ka. L. M. N. O. They are same as they are pronounced in English. L. M. N. O. P is pronounced as pay. Pay. Q is same. Q. Q. Next alphabet is alphabet R, which is a little difficult and a little different to pronounce in French. We pronounce this alphabet from the back of our throat as if we are gargling or snoring. R. R. S. S. T. T. U is pronounced as U. U. We. Way. Way. W. 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 X. 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 Y. 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 Z. 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 So these are the 26 alphabets that we have in French. Let us practice once more, but this time I want you all to repeat after me. Let's start. Starting from A. 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 Bay. Bay. Say. Say. They. They. F. F. G. G. E, E, G, G, Ka, Ka, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, W, 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 X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. We are done with the first learning lesson. Now it's your task to revise all the sounds of these alphabets so that in the next class you are aware about the different sounds or pronunciation of these alphabets and you are ready to move ahead in your learning process. If you like my video, my content, then do like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, family and people whom it can actually help. Thank you.